that Northeast Tigrasa Civil Society. This is in the making. We came for that for this meeting only. This is in the making. And I am Chittaranjan Devarma. My colleagues are here. I am Chittaranjan Devarma, President, Tripura State Party, Tripura, Agartala. We have one and the only issue before us. And we want to begin with this statement that in Northeast India we have 8 states. All other states are pointing their finger at Tripura, saying that this is the only state where the refugees or immigrants from the neighboring countries came into this state, and the indigenous people of the state have been reduced to minority. And all other states do not want to be in that state or position. Like in Assam also, I keep watching all your news reports. Many of the speakers in Assam, speakers both from political angles and even non-political angles, have always been pointing their fingers at Tripura that we do not want to be like Tripura. It is true, friends. After merger of Tripura princely state in 1949, within little bit more than 10 years, by the second population census, we have been reduced to minority. We were majority, but we have been reduced to minority. To trace the history a little bit back, in 1954, the government of India proposed that Tripura should be merged with Assam. But the people of Tripura vehemently protested. Now the puppet without any powers, because like rules in regard to land use and so like that was sent to state government for approval of the governor in 2007, but without approval of those rules, it was sent back to the TPLC. So from there also we can say that the aspiration of the people, indigenous people of the state, would not be fulfilled, even though 6th schedule was established in 1985 in Tripura. Now, the problem lies where illegal migrants have been coming from the neighboring country every day, reduced to minority. To trace the history a little bit back, in 1954, the government of India proposed that Tripura should be merged with Assam. But the people of Tripura vehemently protested. Now, what I want to tell you is that if Tripura had merged with Assam, what would have happened? Tripura had not merged with Assam, what has happened today? If Tripura would have merged with Assam, one thing was clear, that like any other autonomous district council areas, like in Meghalaya you have 3 district councils, in Assam you have Karbi Anglong, North Kasar Hill, which is the Mahasau today. They all got under 6th schedule district council by 1952. We would have also got, maybe after, if the since Tripura had not merged, we had to fight, we had to struggle democratically for it. We started that movement in 1967 and we got in 1985. It took 18 years for us to achieve Tripura Tribal Areas District Council. Now our problem is
Belaikena hambai Tripura khorang nai tong nai ta hukte bukuk sona sini channel tabu bonnorok subscribe khlaya khong khang ke daktino subscribe khlai di job ton sekang video norok nugna bagai abani bagi ta makhna video ni tola norok nugo yagra phai sing subscribe ni suija kasak khlai abona click khlai mani loge no kaisa bell hai khlai nugjaga na nukjaka a bell click khlai re rekha ke sing video upload khlai mani loge no norok video nugana joton sekang nugana abani bagai belakeno hambai nai tong di